How's business?
Too busy right now.
Too busy. Hey, I want to talk to you about Eaton wiring devices. Do you know the name Eaton?
I know it very well.
How do you know it?
I love their new panels.
Oh, good. I got something to build on then.
There you go.
Because they sell devices too. Most people don't know they sell devices.
Yeah.
And the devices are built out of a bunch of names you might know. Arrowheart, Cooper, and Eagle.
Yep.
And actually some of the numbers you see will probably bring some memories up of Eagle numbers also.
Used to sell those when I was 16 years old.
Well, we won't go there how long ago that was, will we? So everything from Resi, you'll see the Resi devices look like Eagle numbers.
Yeah.
And the Resi devices have strippers on them, have little tabs so that you can bend the wiring around quickly. But Resi weatherproof switches, commercial grade also, full CS, both front and back wired commercial grade devices. We went by it, but I'll point it out just because it's tough to fit everything in the trunk of the car to give you a full perspective of what's in here. But full dimming line that's universal dimmer. So any kind of load you have with a toggle dimmer or with a standard Decorah style
And they're
opening
good for all LED CFLs.
any kind of load you could come up with right now. And then that's really where the Eagle product and the Cooper product was in. They also, under the Eaton name, have rolled out a line of Aspire, which is RF devices.
Okay.
So home control, those kind of things are out there also. But then the more familiar, if you know Arrowheart, will be a typical industrial device. But their industrial devices have wings on them, so you don't have to wrap with a piece of tape or put that ideal rubber band around it, so to speak.
Okay. Yeah.
So those are nice devices also. Variety of colors, variety of configurations.
Now is the yellow signifying marine rated?
That yellow one does, yes.
Okay.
But the device you're looking at next to it that's yellow is actually their new locking devices, which are now color coded.
Oh, like the Romex.
You just need to know the voltage.
Yeah.
I can just say I need the yellow connector. I need the yellow cap, whatever it happens to be.
Now are those available in the three-phase and all that stuff also?
Yes,
Same
yeah,
thing?
everything's going color coded, so you won't have to try and figure out your way around the locking device.
Nice.
And then all the way down to just residential, quick cord caps, etc. Of course, we do have GFIs.
Yeah.
The unique thing for our GFI is the light. Once you energize it, the lights will come on and self-test, and everything works. Once it's up and running, the lights go out. So you don't have a bunch of green lights around the kitchen counter. Some people just
Irritating them in the bathroom.
yeah. Well, we can't use that as a marketing thing, but maybe irritating would be good. The non-irritating GFI and standard GFIs. Surge protection also, full line of surge protection all the way from the panel mount units to regular receptacles. And then also with receptacles, we have a unique one, which instead of when that fails, the device fails, the surge fails, you got to replace the whole device. This one has a module that pops out of the middle.
Yep.
And then I can just replace the module. And then a full line of USBs also.
Now, do they make that in a C, Type C?
Yes. Actually, you're looking at this as a Type A, but we make a straight Type C, which I don't think a lot of people want, but we make it with a Type A and a Type C.
Awesome.
So you're always going to have A connectors anyway for a long time. So the C is available. It's just starting to come out. I mean, Apple's driving it, et cetera, et cetera. But we're starting to see it, so it is available in a combo device with an A and a C device in there. And then way up on the top, there's a full media opportunity also in voice and data. Your typical F connectors, phone connector place. We do have a media box that actually comes with that GFI. I'm sorry, not GFI, but Surge.
Oh, really?
Surge with the replaceable module. So you don't.
They give you the replaceable module with it?
Yeah.
They
give
do?
you everything.
Really?
Yeah. Hey, we're eating, man. We're eating. And we're not. That's not pizza.
If sales are good, you'll be eating good.
That's right. That's right. So just again, wanted to get a picture of the whole line.
Nice.
It hasn't been around in a while. People haven't seen devices.
Very nice.
So thanks for taking the time.
No problem.
And you're a good guy. You brought your own hand sanitizer.
Hey, safety first.
Absolutely. Thanks, man.
Hey, good to see you.
Good to see you.